All right, here we go. Here's our second plant, which is gonna be the Syngonium. These labels are actually put on here so that when you get this plant, you can immediately have it labeled. Now, what we're gonna wanna do is, this plant is paper bagged. We're just wanting to separate the tape from the bag, like that. Not cut into the bag because we don't know what's behind this bag. So same thing over here. We're just cutting through the tape. We're going to repeat the process on both sides. Now what we're going to do is repeat the process with all these pieces of tape along the back side. And there we go. Now we should be able to, oh, we got a little bit more tape here. Now we can go ahead and open this up very carefully. And there we go. There's our Syngonium. It's just going to be attached with some tape there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to just attempt to just cut the top layer of tape. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and cut through the top layer of tape here. And as you can see, there's really, it's not that there's a lot of pressure applied at all. I'm just kind of running the knife over it with just a little bit of, just a touch of pressure on it, and I'm actually just letting the blade slice instead of, you know, any kind of a hard pressure or sawing action to it. And you can see it just kind of opens right up, and we can just roll it right out. It's gonna have to tear away there where the staple was holding on to it. We're just gonna kind of unroll this and open it up. And just kind of one important thing to keep in mind is that really the tip of this knife should never touch your plant. All right, so here we have our second plant. It's now unboxed and unpackaged, and we're ready to pop this one up. For right now, I'm gonna put this plant aside and until I can pot it here in a little bit. Just gonna protect the roots from drying by putting it in a piece of plastic.